Hi viewers, welcome back to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the 16th tutorial for CSS beginners. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is CSS height and width properties. What we discuss on today? Height and width properties in CSS. I will explain with example like coding. Before going to example, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provides all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, languages, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO. Complete free web tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please support me, and please subscribe my channel. I'm going to example. This is the basic. This is the basic HTML file structure. We all of you know. Title, height and width properties in CSS. Here I am created do class equal to HW height and width. So we will check the output. This is the output. Here this div I am applying the CSS. Dot HW width 100 pixel, height 200 pixel, background color so we'll check the output. This is the output. Color white. This is the height and width properties. Total this div width is 500 pixel and height is 200 pixel. This is the process of process of writing the height and width of a particular element. I will explain with some description. Today we discuss on the topic is CSS height and width properties. The height and width properties are used to set the height and width of an element. Height and width properties are used to set the height and width width of an element. This div element I will set the height and width properties. And second one is height and width can be set to auto. Suppose we can't write any width and height properties, it will be default to take 0 height auto. The height and width can be set to auto. The auto, this is default, means that the browser calculates the height and width are be specified in length values like pixels, centimeters, etc. in percentage of the containing block. Note: the height and width properties do not include padding, borders, or margins. They set the height or width of the area inside the padding, border, and a margin of element. I will explain the maximum width. Here, maximum width always override the width property. Maximum width property is used to set the maximum width of an element. There is no difference. Maximum width or max height. Height. Maximum height 200 pixel. Maximum height property defines the maximum height of an element. Maximum height of an element. So guys, this is the process of write the height and width properties in CSS. I hope we all are understand the how to write the height and width properties in CSS. If you have any doubts or comments, please please mention the below the video. Okay guys, once again I will say that the SHS tech solution provide all web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies also. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. Please support me. Thank you. Bye bye.